Okay, so I got a 10-inch steel gong hanging up there at 300 yards. I got the 24-inch AR. I think I got all the scopes set right. I keep forgetting to change them back to zeros when I leave, and a couple weeks later, I don't remember exactly where they were setting. So, but I got 10 rounds of the 75 grain. Got some cameras set up. So let's see how this works. Get my parallax adjusted. I missed. Missed again. Missed. I think I'm hitting just off to the right, but I'm not positive. Okay, and that left me empty. So, not bad. I did better than I did with the bolt action. All right, thanks for watching.